I wasn't born with a camera in my hands, but ever since I can remember, I wanted to be a photographer. By the time I was 5, I was snapping so many pictures with my imaginary camera that my father ended up giving me a real one for my birthday. From that day on, I viewed life through a viewfinder. Few things are more American than traveling the open road with an open mind. Roads personify democracy. They offer freedom to anyone who takes the time to travel them. Traveling in the footsteps of Steinbeck, Kerouac, and de Tocqueville, I traverse our land in pursuit of democracy. Next stop were all 50 states whose flags and signs I sought to photograph. I follow the open road wherever it takes me. Wherever this road takes me is where I want to go. Back roads became my friend, but America became my lover.